Hello everybody, welcome back to my next video. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make peanut butter cup scrunch brownies. So we got the box, we got we got peanut butter, and we got rice, chocolate chip, and baking chocolate. So, and butter. So,
hello.
Going to help behind the scenes. So we're going to preheat. It's on gas. No, it's not on.
Yes, it is.
Oh, I can't really see that.
It is on. Believe you me.
That's hard to see. We're going to go on
Baking powder.
Okay.
Baking paper.
Baking paper. Baking powder, baking paper. Whoop, whoop. Yeah. Calculates. Hey, stay there. Come on, dudes. Yep.
Okay, well, empty that into your bowl.
Okay. Scissors. Empty this in the bowl. So what? So what else we need?
2 eggs. And I'm just cleaning now because crack those eggs.
Crack those eggs. I'm just gonna.
No, yeah, we'll crack them in the jug first to make sure that they're okay, because don't forget this is country eggs. Okay, that one okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Another one?
Yes. Now, is it okay? Oh, okay, good.
What's that white stuff in there?
It's just it's just the egg.
Okay.
So just yeah, just give them a beat. And you need a 1/3 cup of oil. Put the oil in there too.
Okay.
A 1/3 of a cup.
Is that good like that?
Yep. So the 1/3 of the oil.
As well?
No, just put the oil. No, put the oil in with the eggs.
Oh, with the eggs.
Yeah. 1/3 of a cup.
I'm gonna float.
Yeah, 1/3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, then mix it all together. Be careful, don't make a mess. Okay, then mix it all into there.
Okay.
Mix it with a wooden spoon. Oop. You made a mess, didn't you, on your jumper? Okay, now you
Yes. Amen.
Okay, just be careful, mix it all together. So we're using the what? I forgot. Are you still on?
No! I forgot to do a video of you folding them.
Okay, just fold it.
I just do it this way because it's hot.
So you just fold it so it's all...
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to do that? Have a go at folding.
Yeah.
Mix it so it's all mixed.
Oops.
Make a mess again.
Yeah.
so. Okay, yep, now I've got it embed into there.
Okay. A little bit.
Okay, I'll hold the paper down. Oh, okay, yep. Plop. Looks like shit. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It looks like a chicken one. No, pork one. Okay. OCD. Oh, take it easy, Greasy. Oh, don't want it on my fingers. No, I don't. Yep.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
Everything. It'll stuck. Well, it is tiny.
Don't know. Oh, you made a mess.
Who, me? What?
The tray's too big, I think.
No, it's not. It's probably because we cut the paper too short.
Yep. Oh, hang on. No.
Yeah, it's on.
Well, which way is it filming? Because you got that. Okay. Still on, okay.
We're chopping the Reese cakes.
Yeah.
So, how many do you think? Is that enough?
Yeah. Got the spatula there. Okay. Now, put the peanuts in the...
In here?
Yeah, put them in the whiz.
Peanuts.
So put your blades in there. And 3/4 cup.
Oh.
That's all right, yeah. And, yeah.
Peanuts. Ugh. It looks sweet.
Okay, and just whiz them up a bit. Oh yeah, that should be enough. They all crunched up. Is it all mixed up?
I think so.
Okay, we'll do some more.
Come on, Tiny. What?
Yeah.
What?
This isn't for me.
Oh. So we've got what's half a chocolate chips there?
Yeah, 1.5 cups.
Cups, yeah.
Okay, so you've got to bring it out now. Oh, smells nice. Okay, just bring it out, put it on the... Okay. Now, deeper.
What?
Because that's all not going to go on it, is it? Oops. Now, the other way so I can see it. Yep. Just empty that, yep. Over the top. Oh, you've got your arm in the way.
Yeah, because I can't.
Oh, look, making a mess.
That's what I am. I'm making a bloody mess.
Minutes.
We've flashed it all down. We're going to put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes. Here, put your oven gloves on. Okay.
Okay, alright. So we're going to be doing 1.5 cups.
Yes, 1.5. Put it in the pot. It's a knife with a scrape if you use a knife. Okay, take it out, Veronica. Here, put the peanut butter in there. Okay, then you need a tablespoon of butter.
Tablespoon.
Yep. The butter's over there.
Should we cut it?
Yep. Cut it if you want, yep.
So what? Yep. Yep, it's going.
Okay, well you need to melt that down.
So what first? The big one?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. The chocolate's all melted.
Yeah.
The peanut butter and the chocolate now. Just add your rices. Yeah, and the other one. So you've got to get them well coated. So stir them around.
So I'll pull it over here.
You might get out of the sun. Or in the sun. Maybe I'll get behind you here. Now pour it over that. And spread it all over. Oh, nice. And then we put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Look, she made a mess. Made a mess.
I'm always making a bloody freaking mess. That's what I'm made for.
Okay, I'm going to turn it off.
Thank you for watching how to make peanut butter cup crunch brownies. If you guys want to try this recipe, the link down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Push the like button. Brownie is out. Bye. It's gonna look yummy.